In this video, I will be showing you how to stop edge data collection for Copilot. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my web browser and navigating to the search bar at the very top of the screen. I click inside the URL box and type in copilot.microsoft.com, then press enter to load the page. Now, we just wait a brief moment for the official Microsoft Copilot dashboard to fully load up. Once everything is ready on the main screen, I look down toward the bottom left corner of the window. There, I see my user profile icon and click on it to bring up the account menu panel. From the list of available choices that pops up, I click directly on Settings. This opens up a dedicated Settings window right in the middle of the screen, initially displaying the Preferences tab by default. From the sidebar inside this menu, I move down and click on the Memory category. Within the Memory settings, I spot the toggle switch located right next to Microsoft Usage Data, which is currently turned on. To prevent Copilot from collecting and using data from Bing, MSN, Edge, and other Microsoft products, I click that switch to turn it off. Next, I return to the Settings sidebar on the left and click on Privacy. Under the Privacy section, I find the very first option labeled Training on Conversation Activity. I move over to the corresponding green toggle switch on the right side and click it to disable the setting, ensuring my future conversations aren't used for AI training. Finally, to close out the settings and complete the changes, I move up to the top right corner of the menu card and click the X icon. And that's it, you have successfully stopped the data collection. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.